Hello students, in this video we are going to learn an important property of assignment operator. Let's see. A equal to 1, B equal to 2. This is assignment operator which will assign the value 1 in the variable A, which will assign the value B with the value 2. If you write print A comma B, you will get the output 1, 2. So these two statements can be written in a single statement in Python. How? A comma B equal to 1 comma 2. In this way, Python evaluates from right hand side. It will assign this in A and this in B. So if you write print AB, again you will get the same value. Now what happen if I write, this is case 1. Now what happen if I write A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3? Then what will happen? It simply means that you are assigning more than one value in a variable. More than one value means it is a sequence, and sequence means Python provide three types of data type which forms a sequence, that is string, tuple and a list. So when we assign more than one value in a variable, it forms a sequence, and that sequence is a tuple. Means if I write print A, then the output will be 1 comma 2 comma 3, and that is in parenthesis, that is round bracket. This is the output, and in Python the sequence assigned in parenthesis is known as tuple. So if you assign more than one value in a variable, it forms a tuple. Let's see third example. A comma B comma C equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and if I write A comma B comma C is equal to A plus 5, A plus B and B plus C. Suppose this is the expression. Then what will be the output of that expression? Always remember that until and unless the right side is evaluated, the value of left hand side will not be going to change. So how this we evaluate? Initially 1 is assigned in A, 2 is assigned in B, and 3 is assigned in C. So we can say that the value of A is 1, the value of B is 2, and the value of C is 3. So here I am writing A plus 5. The value of A is 1. It means 1 plus 5. It is A plus B. Value of A is 1 and B is 2. It is 1 plus 2. It is value of B is 2 and C is 3. So it is 3. Now after evaluating the right hand side, the interpreter will assign the value to the left hand side. Means this will move to the first value, this will move to the second value, and this will move to the third value. So the value of A will become 6, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5. So if I write print A, comma B, comma C, you will get the output 6, 3, 5. So remember that in Python, until and unless the right hand side is not evaluated, its value will not be assigned to the left hand side. Sometimes people do the wrong calculation. They consider it like this: A plus 5, yani 1 plus 5, 6. The 6 is assigned in A. So here people take 6 because they consider the value of A is changed. But this will not happen until and unless the complete right hand side is not evaluated. It will not change the value. So in this way assignment operator work. So let's summarize. If we want to assign the multiple value in different variables in a single statement, then we can do in this way. Another thing, if multiple values are assigned in a variable, then it forms a sequence, and that sequence is tuple. Tuples is a data type which is define the sequence in parentheses. Now, if we evaluate any expression, then after the completion of the right hand side, then only the value is assigned in left hand side.